Welcome to Clue, Criminal Law for UK Enforcement. Late-night streets often see loud arguments, fights, or people staggering out of bars. Most walk away with nothing more than a hangover. But when does being drunk cross into criminal territory? In this video, we will ask, can simply shouting while drunk in public lead to arrest? We will break down the law on being drunk and disorderly under Section 91 of the Criminal Justice Act 1967. Under Section 91 of the Criminal Justice Act, any person who in any public place is guilty while drunk of disorderly behaviour commits an offence. The wording is simple, but to convict, each part must be proven. Let's break down the offence so you can understand the points to prove. Points to prove. For a conviction, 3 points must be satisfied. 1. The accused was in a public place. 2. They were drunk. 3. Their behaviour was disorderly. If any of these is missing, the offence cannot be made out. This ensures the law targets conduct that threatens public order, not simply drinking in private or being intoxicated quietly without disruption. Public place. Under law, a public place is anywhere the public can access, whether by payment or otherwise. This includes highways, town centres, buses, pubs, football stadiums, and shop car parks. Even if entry requires a ticket, such as at a concert or sporting event, it is still a public place under the law. The key is public access, not ownership of the land or building. Police officers are considered experts in recognizing drunkenness, but they must give clear evidence. Signs include impaired movement, slurred speech, being unsteady on the feet, the smell of alcohol on the breath or clothing, and dilated pupils. The test is practical. Has alcohol reduced the person's self-control so they can no longer behave in a reasonable, steady way? Disorderly behavior. Disorderly is not defined in the Act, so courts apply its ordinary meaning, behavior that disrupts public order. This can range from shouting and swearing at strangers to fighting, throwing objects, or refusing to calm down when asked. Violence is not required. Persistent loud abuse in a street may be enough. The focus is on disturbance caused to others nearby. Powers of arrest. Police may arrest a person without a warrant if they are found drunk and disorderly. Arrest powers are used when behavior risks public safety or cannot be controlled by lesser action. Officers will usually give a person time and opportunities to leave the area before making an arrest. But if someone refuses, police can act immediately to prevent escalation and restore order. Related offences. Several alcohol-related offences are closely linked. These include being drunk and in charge of a child, where care duties are neglected, driving while over the limit, often called drink driving, and being drunk and in charge of a motor vehicle, even if the person is not driving at that moment. Each carries its own penalties and risks, often more serious. Sentencing. Courts consider circumstances before sentencing. Factors include aggression, resisting police, or repeat offending. The max penalty is a fine of up to £1,000. Prison is not available, but a conviction creates a criminal record. Sometimes, instead of going to court, police may issue a conditional caution or a community resolution, often linked to alcohol awareness work. Case law. DPP versus Fidler, 1992. In DPP versus Fidler, the defendant, John Fidler, was found in a public street shouting and swearing after drinking. He argued his behavior was only mildly annoying, not disorderly. The court disagreed, ruling that disorderly covers behavior which reasonable members of the public would find unacceptable. His conviction stood, showing how low the threshold can be. Recap. So, can shouting while being drunk in public lead to an arrest? Yes, if the behavior is loud, abusive, or disturbing, it can meet the test for disorderly conduct. The offence requires 3 things: drunkenness, being in a public place, and disorderly behavior. Police can give evidence of a person's drunken state, and they have the power to arrest without a warrant to maintain order. Thanks for watching. If there's a legal topic you'd like us to break down, drop a line in the comment section below. We're here to make the law clear, practical, and easy to understand. If this helped, give it a like and hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned for more videos. Keep learning, keep overstanding. Know the law, understand the offense. See you next time.